Hi guys, welcome back to Spot Our channel. Now I will give you a tutorial how to create a nickname on Gab.io for the Android. And before that, I wanna ask you, how are you guys? So you don't miss of our videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And now let's start it. First, we go to the Gab.io application that you have been to install it before. Click on it. Next step, you can click the symbol in the upper of the left corner. Click on. And you can go to the my profile, click on OK. After that you can click the symbol of the pen here, click on, and you write about your nickname. And after that you can click OK if you're done to type it. Okay, the nickname is taken. I use another nickname here. You can click OK, and your nickname is successfully to set up. Okay, this is a tutorial how to create a nickname on Gab.io for Android. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for the attention and bye.